Oh, we got something different for you today. It's a 1937 Chevrolet sedan delivery, all custom hot rod with the air conditioning and the tune port engine and all the goodies, leather seats. We'll go through all of that together here in a minute. You can also go to volocars.com and see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. So this is a real, genuine 1937 Chevrolet. It does have the metal hood. I mean, looks pristine. It also has the sides of the hood. There's pictures of those on our website, all painted, ready to put back on if you want to. All clean body work. The front fenders and the running boards are fiberglass, and they're in excellent shape, straight, fits beautifully. The doors are shaved. There's no handles. They open by remote. There we go. Suicide doors. They were converted. They typically open from that way. Now they open from in front. No hinges are showing. The rear fenders are metal and they were widened 3 inches for the fat tires. The door handle's shaved back here. There's a handle underneath there. It pops those open. Obviously, this is all custom with the recessed license plate. All clean, nice body work though. All looks really good. Here's a little flaw like in the clear coat. Almost looks like something dripped on it and got smeared a little bit. It's all clean, straight, flush mounted gas cap. Does have a little chip on the edge of it. But the body work, again, all clean and straight. Metal fender, widened in back. Right here is a clean canvas. You can put something fun on there. If it's your business, put your business name on there. And this is, boom, instant tax write-off. Suicide doors, again, pop open by remote. They open and close real nicely. The paint, this is a deep plum metallic, does have some real nice tiny metallic in it that sparkles nicely, and it's all polished smooth and glossy. There's like a little hairline crack right there. So if you look around, you'll find a minor imperfection, but it's a high quality body and paint finish for sure. The silver is a metal flake as well, and it's all clean, smooth, glossy. It does have some nice orange pinstripe, and then this custom paintwork right in here. Smooth running boards. Here's a couple stress cracks right there, thin ones. They did put on the original style Chevrolet step plates. You have some nice billet mirrors. LED teardrop style tail lights. They're nice and bright. Looks like all the glass was replaced and all the gaskets are fresh. The wheels, they're staggered size wheels. They're Koi's chrome wheels. They're 17s and 18s. They look to be a little extra wide in the back too, and they're all wrapped in nice performance tires. Yeah, good looking car. The headlights are HID headlights with the turn signals built in. The grille is restored real nicely. Bumper's removed, has a nice stance. Let's open it up. I'll show you what's inside. All right, so there's a rod underneath here. You just push on it and the door pops open. We'll talk more about it when we get inside, but it has a backup camera as well. Here's a little outward dent right there. A rock or something must have flown up. So we have some extras in here. Carefully open these. You can see the whole inside is upholstered. The sides of the hoods are wrapped up in here. There's pictures on our website. Comes with a car cover. Comes with some extra paint, some miscellaneous literature and whatever you've got there. But starting at the top, it's a nice cloth headliner. Looks like it has some interior lights. Yeah, they work, LED lights. On the side, you can see is the tweed with the flames. We got some, looks like Rockford Fosgate speaker box with speakers front and back, one on each side. Nice carpeted floor. And the jambs, all this is painted real nicely. It's got rubber gaskets. So it looks good. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. Help your friends move. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. So the jambs are nice. They two-toned it in the jambs. Again, suicide doors. I'm sure that was a lot of work. It has the same tweed door panels, and there's a manual release under the armrest there. You pull on that, and the door will pop open. So the dash is all painted smooth and glossy. Has a nice little instrument panel here with machine turn trim, some clean white face gauges, turn signal indicators. Again, nice and clean and tidy. Lower panel was made with the AC vents and controls. It's all vintage air. Really nice center console with cup holders. Nice flat power window toggles. These are Wise Guys leather seats. This is like glove soft leather, very comfortable reclining seats with the retractable shoulder belts built into it. Real nice seats. I also really like the steering wheel. They call it a banjo steering wheel because this kind of looks like a banjo with the old V8 in it and the leather grip. It's a tilt column, an Ididit column. It's also a push button starter that's in here. They're all looking real good. Oh, here's the camera, the reverse camera. That's the mirror. Well, it's not a mirror, but when you put it in reverse, that's we'll show you behind you. All right, let's go check out the motor. Very comfortable interior. It's unique. It's different. My father's seen it sitting out there, and yeah, he's like, "Wow, where did we get that?" And he liked it because you just don't see them. So the hood will lift up on either side. There's just one wing nut. That's a 350 long block engine with the tune port injection. See a lot of polished components, the valve covers and injection, all looking good. Nice coated headers, purple spark plug wires. I like that. And then we have power steering, complete serpentine belt with the billet pulleys, chrome alternator, nice stainless radiator hose, aluminum radiator and custom shroud. Let's go see what it looks like on the other side. Nice polished firewall, stainless steel firewall. I didn't bolt this side, but just more of the same. You do have the polished AC compressor here. All right, Michael's going to show you how this runs, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, got something a little bit different here today and I'm excited. Sold 37 panel truck. Pretty nice build, I tell ya. It's got a lot of nice features on it, like power windows and power steering and power brakes and tilt column, air conditioning. It's also got fuel injection on it, which makes for a really nice, reliable kind of turnkey platform to power this very unique vehicle down the road. So that's a Chevy 350. I believe it's a tune port injection up on top, and that's paired with a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. You can definitely cruise this one on down the highway with ease because you got the extra gear there. And yeah, all of those features make for a very nice kind of user-friendly driving experience. Well, let's see what she's got. Alright, and just like that, up to 60 miles an hour with absolutely no issue. Totally cool, more than adequate power, trans shifted nicely like butter, and yeah, heck, I don't know what else you can ask for. Just a really fun ride. Nice and quiet too when you roll the windows up, as you guys can just see. It does have the you know, the power up here. You got a little but yeah, our shop went over, we spent about a $2,200 bill between service and detail on it. So nothing out of the ordinary. Did some things like programming the speedometer and, you know, a couple little odds and ends stuff. But yeah, come test drive it for yourself. It's a heck of a lot of fun. Great car. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath this has all been updated as well. Up front is a Heights independent suspension with coil-over adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion power steering. In back it has the parallel leaf springs and air shocks, so you can adjust the load if you do put some stuff in the back there. Custom fuel tank, looks like it's made out of stainless steel, and all the proper fuel pumps and that for the fuel injection system. Disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels. Nice custom exhaust, neatly installed with Flowmaster mufflers. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean, looks like a high torque starter. I think it's a chrome flywheel cover. And it's a 700 R4 overdrive automatic, so you can go cruising on the highway. It has a purple drive shaft that leads back to a Ford 9-inch rear end. The floor pan that's in here was completely replaced. It's one big flat piece of galvanized metal, so there's no rust under there. You just got a really good looking car, unique, different. Again, get creative with what you put on the side there. You can have fun with that or your business name. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your 37 Chevy delivered home. If you need financing, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.